In this very short video tutorial, we will see in a few steps how to start using BookyWay for bookings. From the home page, I click on New Account and then I put my data, the club name, my email, my first name, surname, language, country, and finally, I accept the terms of use. At this point, by clicking OK, I will receive in real time an email with the access data. I copy my password and log in to the admin platform. In the meantime, I can access the Apple and Android store to download BookyWay and log into the app as if I were a customer myself, to see what the customers would see in real time. Let's say I have a yoga studio, and the first thing I decide to do is customize my homepage with one of the many yoga images available. For example, I select this one, and I see that also in the client app in real time, just doing a refresh, I see my new yoga image. Now I decide to enter an activity, so I click on Setup Class Activity. I can select an image from hundreds of different categories, so I choose yoga and select an image. Then I enter the name of the lesson, the color, then the price, the credits, and, here, the instructor. If I want, I can also enter here a description of my activity. Below, I set the day of the week when I'll do my classes, the time period, when they start and their duration. Here I enter the number of places available and, at this point, first I save my lessons and then I publish them. I go inside the app to see the lessons published and, acting as a client of myself, I decide to book, for example, this yoga class. Once enrolled, I go back to the administration side, and if I do a refresh of the page, I see that, in real time, I already have Joe Smith enrolled. At this point, I can decide to start inserting my customers by clicking on this button and typing their first name, last name, and email. This way, I begin to automatically invite customers to allow them to book my courses and activities.